something here. You do it so. Now that's it, right, you know?
No, sir, I'm not that way.
Oh, really good. Yeah.
This week's Kareem's Quest, I'm going to be doing a special cooking with Grandma Mama Joice. We're going to do rundown and we're going to try it with some Johnny Crunches. You ready?
Yes, long time.
Long time?
Yes.
Make you wait?
Yes, from morning. You said 10 o'clock and now is what? So 12 o'clock. You don't know time, people. I was waiting from early. I get up, cook the mackerel.
I do everything. All right, no more. Mama, we're going to do the thing now. All right, people, so stay tuned. All right, so the first thing we want to start with is grated coconut.
Yes.
Now, me being the younger generation, why not use a blender?
I love too much ready done.
I'm see how much coconut you got for grater?
2.
No, I'm seeing 2 coconut, I'm see how much.
I greater than me.
Don't it?
Oh.
Me
Well,
not
you go and video and me greater.
me not depend that at all, Mama.
You know, you can't come earlier.
Yeah, true word.
Yes. You said 10 o'clock and now it's what?
How much time you got time that for the day?
For the day, anytime you say something?
Yeah, you're gonna straight for me.
Yes.
Alright.
You don't know time.
Don't know time at all, people. I'm sure Mama Joice all them stuff here work.
To find all the Kareem's Quest content in one place, visit the website kareemsquest.com. You'll see colorful adventure stories, a lot of pictures of Jamaica's beautiful landscape, and articles that highlight the many unique things about Jamaica. It's all at kareemsquest.com.
Mine, you broke and cut your finger. But
You have to carry me to hospital.
no, man, the greater with. But me don't greater it, man, cut my finger. But me used to it, you know, used to it.
Alright, wait.
People are my fat. You're too bad. Good, no poily. First one I told my grandma. Thank you.
Come.
Alright, no done. No more. You see? Good. Do them stuff, you know. See it? So this rich and nice. When I get to run down now, it just come out very
So the secret for you with rundown is what? The coconut?
the milk. The milk will come out it.
Yeah.
You don't put too much water in this and make it. That'll take too long for boiling. This is 2 coconuts, so you can juice it the next time. And you get enough milk. And it's not enough milk, you know, because it will boil down to oil and custard. Alright, I'm going to strain it now in this. You have use, man.
Hey, Mama, you're not easy.
You know, no, say
Mama Joice, you have use.
now that's it, right, you know?
No, sir, I'm not that way.
Oh, really good. Alright. Put on the pot and throw that in it.
Alright.
I'm going to juice it one more time. I'm oiling the pot at it down. When the blackness come out fast. Yes.
Alright.
When you score it off now, it don't hold the blackness. Much will hold the fire catch. Get up early, man, and roast breadfruit. There I work so. Man, alright. This is the second.
You get 2 out of it.
Yes.
Alright, so people put on the pot. Right, and now we have the coconut milk. Boil up.
So much seasoning. Alright, then you go down when they make kind of thing there. Put in the mackerel. See? You see it almost? The mackerel.
The food basically on the pot right now, and we just make it simmer down. So what is your tip when cooking rundown for anybody?
Your tip? Like, you just get the
Go on talk.
You get your things, you get your seasoning,
Yeah.
prepare your seasoning.
Uh-huh.
You grate. No, the first thing you do is grate your coconut. Don't put a lot of water in it. You put too much water in it, it's going to take too long to boil down.
Okay.
You have 2 coconut in that.
Mhm.
This is the right amount of coconut. 1.5 of mackerel. We don't want no long water, we just want coconut rundown. When you take it up, you have the oil and the custard together mix up.
You said that you don't cut your scallion.
No.
You beat it.
You beat it.
Why?
If you're watching this video up to this point, chances are you like Jamaica or Jamaica culture. Here are some free ways you can support this page. Like the video, subscribe, or leave a comment and let us know how you feel.
Now you get all the flavor with that so now. When you cut it up, like you cut up the onion but when you beat it and it boil down in it now, you get the nice tasting scallion.
Okay.
Real country scallion. And you get the and time, you don't put a whole heap, you just put a piece, it make blend in with the seasoning. To make the
And that will get a rich taste.
yes, and that get a rich taste.
Alright, so you get the tips then from Mama Joice herself.
When we finished preparing our meal, we tried the Johnny Crunchers in our rundown dip. It's a lovely complimentary meal and a great meal idea as well. And of course, you know that Mama Joice cooking is always on point. If you like how she prepares stuff, you can actually watch more episodes of me and Mama Joice in the kitchen by following me on social media. And if you just love Jamaican content, just go to kareemsquest.com website and find interesting stuff. As usual, people, stay safe and you're always welcome to join the quest.